Hey guys, how's it going? Today we are going to recreate this logo called Container. It's a business logo for a transportation company in Italy. The design is by Ubertazzi, Sofiantini, and Romani, the year 1978. So we are going to recreate this logo in 4 simple steps. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna disable these layers. I went ahead and downloaded this off the internet, pasted as a template. You can download it yourself, or you can download this Adobe Illustrator file that we'll be providing for you in a link down below. So first things first, let's go ahead and zoom in. Control Z. I went ahead and created a small square. No fill. Stroke. I believe I set it to 6, and I set the stroke to the inside. Now, grab the object. Go to expand appearance, object, compound path, release, object, compound path, make. So now we have this square that's going to serve as the 4 squares on the outside. Now we're going to go ahead and take the pen tool. I pushed P for that. I went to the corner of the square. I went down holding shift so that it makes a diagonal line. And it doesn't really matter how far you go. Because we're going to go ahead and break that off later using the shape builder tool. Let's go ahead and zoom in just to see that we did it right, and it looks pretty good right now. You know what, I'm going to go ahead and break it off now. So using the line tool, we're just going to make a straight line across. No fill, no stroke. Grab both of these. This is the shape builder tool. Holding Alt, delete that extra part. Click V to exit. Now we're going to delete this line. Again, remember this line has no stroke or no fill. Just make sure you can go ahead and drag like this and delete it. Alright, so that makes the first part, which is this first layer right here. Now to the second layer. So all I did was I got this, right click, transform, reflect, and I clicked on the vertical. Make sure you click copy right here. If you click OK, and now we have the top half done. Go ahead and grab all of this. Again, go to transform, reflect, transform, reflect, and we're going to go to, interesting. Oh, anyway. So I'm gonna go back a few steps. I apologize for that. Grab it, transform, reflect, vertical, copy. Grab both of them, transform, reflect, horizontal, copy. Now drag these down. Right. They will align by themselves. Usually Illustrator does a pretty good job. If not, you can go in there. As we see right here, it didn't really quite align. We can go in there and just zoom in, make sure they're aligned correctly. Zoom out. Right. And now we are in the third step, right? So now we are, this is the first one, the second one, the third one. Now what I did here to get these lines in the middle, I just grabbed one of these, holding down the Alt button and the Shift button. I eyeballed it. That looks pretty good right there. I grab this one, Alt. That looks pretty good right there. And that's the third step. 1, 2, 3. Now the fourth and the final step. We grab the whole thing. We're going to use one of my favorite tools, the Shape Builder tool. We're going to delete these middle ones. Now, so that we can see the design, we're going to go ahead and put it side to side. We see that these middle ones are a little bit longer. So using the Shape Builder tool, right? So we're going to delete this. That gives us this part right here. We're going to delete this. That gives us this part. I'm holding the Alt tool. I mean the shape. I'm using the Shape Builder tool, holding the Alt button. We're going to go ahead and delete this one, and we're going to go ahead and delete this one also. We can start joining just by going like this, scribbling through all the shapes, right? But something that is easier now that we know exactly what we want, we select all of it, we go to the Pathfinder, and we click Unite. And there you go. It seems like it's a little bit rounded, so I'm going to go ahead and using the Direct Selection tool, you can also just click the letter A. I'm going to select all of it, and in the corners right here on the top or in the Properties panel, you can go ahead and change the corner. I'm going to go ahead and change it to, that's too much, 0.02 looks pretty good. It looks like there's an extra anchor point right here. Holding A and selecting all of it, you can see if there's any extra anchor points or any unnecessary points throughout. So again, I think I put 0.02, and that gives us pretty good recreation of this logo. I'm going to go ahead and hide this one, Control 0 to view all of it. Recap, right? We did a square, we expanded it, we created a line from the corner, it extended, and we just deleted the excess using a blank line. We reflected it, again, made those two extra lines, and using the Shape Builder tool and the Pathfinder tool, we deleted any of the excess. Again, this is container logo for a business in transportation. Hope you guys learned something new today. Let me know what other logos you would like to see me recreate. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.